Good morning, all. Today is Friday, the 17th of September 2010. We're preparing to trade the New York session, and we're going to discuss the after effects of the interventions of the Bank of Japan. Looking at the radar screen just to see what happened in the London and the Tokyo session, you can see that the dollar is beginning to move up. The dollar yen is slightly in the middle of nowhere. There is no action. The dollar Swiss is slightly weak. It's down 16 ticks. But the pound is also weakening. It is quite weak against the dollar. It is quite weak against the Swiss franc. And it is also kind of stable against the New Zealand pound and the Canadian. You can also see that the euro is weakening versus the dollar. So based on that, we can gauge that there is an undertone of strength coming into the dollar. There is a relative buying. We might not have had a strong continuation to the upside. It's because after a big such move like this of 200-300 pips to the upside, the market should get a slight pause. I mean, it is a time where people start taking a breather and reevaluate their positions. Having said that, we now need to look at this chart and decide for ourselves how we're going to play and which side of the market we should be placing our trades, or what would be our bias. Is it to the upside or is it to the downside? Is this the total move and the market should come down, or this here is a pause and we should be looking for a continuation to the upside? The typical behavior that you see here, the way we begin to estimate the direction or the coming direction, is how the market has been behaving at or around this area. The market, after a 300 pip move to the upside or a 3 yen move to the upside, has remained near the high of the day or the high of the 3 days, and we're getting into Friday towards the end of the week, and with that we still do not see that anybody is trying to take profit from this last move. Nobody is trying to bail out of their move. Nobody is trying to initiate new shorts so that they would push the market down. If that's the case, then that would indicate that the dollar yen pair should be continuing, or most of the market believes that the market should be continuing to the upside. Having said that, then we need to continue to have our positive bias, and you can see we should be looking for any move to the upside. We should be trying to take them. Keep in mind that today is going to be a slightly thin day due to the Jewish holiday. So we might get some action in the beginning of the trading day here in New York, and then the volume should taper off. Okay? Have a good luck and happy trading.